Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Stunning signboard cabinet designs to elevate your modern home interior. Inspiring signboard unit design ideas for your space. Encapsulates the essence of sophisticated interior decor signboard cabinets with their sleek lines and contemporary aesthetics for both functionality and style. These designs serve as focal points, adding a touch of elegance to any room. Whether you prefer minimalistic or bold statement pieces, there is a signboard unit to suit your taste and elevate your space. From sleek, glossy finishes to natural wood textures, the variety of design options is endless. Incorporating these signboards into your home interior not only enhances storage solutions but also creates a visually appealing atmosphere. Explore innovative design ideas that inspire creativity and transform your living areas into showcases of modern elegance. With their versatility, signboard cabinets can complement the decor theme from industrial loft to Scandinavian minimalist ambience. The opportunity to personalize your space with these captivating design elements. Let your imagination roam as you envision the perfect signboard unit to enhance your home's ambience from dining room to living spaces. These stylish pieces add functionality without compromising on the style. Discover how these stunning signboard designs can redefine the aesthetic appeal of your home interior, elevate your decor, and creating an inspiring environment that reflects your unique sense of style and sophistication. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.